greeting to all. Assalamu alaikum. Today debate is that rural life better than the city life. My group and I are against the city life for good reason. Now I want to discuss about this topic in front of you. Dear judges, a man like to see a beautiful nature. So if he want to feel the beautiful nature, he must go to the village because there is no beautiful nature in the city. Dear judges, sometimes we say that we are Bengali and we are men of soul, but unfortunately we are don't find and pure soul in the city. For that reason, I want to say village life is the best life than the city life. Dear judges, there are many poets who wrote many poems, village in our country. They describe the beautiful our village. Those of poem we are reading from reading from poem we are reading from our childhood. We know many poets and poets author who come from village such as Jainul Abidin, Kazi Nazrul Islam, Abdul Ghaffar, Rabindranath Tagore, Sukumar Bari. Dear judges, we feel village life our heart and soul. We can't think a proper life without village life. So I want to say again, village life is the best life. Assalamu alaikum.